What makes this machine the most versatile cooking appliance ever built is nothing mechanical. It's not the stainless steel double wall construction built for superior heat retention. The 2 shelves of 304 stainless steel grates for an enormous cooking surface. It isn't that it's fueled with the no chemical, no additive, 100% all natural wood pellets we've always used to reach an astonishing 600 degrees of even cooking, or the one-of-a-kind sliding flame broiler. Intuitive features like stay cool ventilated handles and rear flowing exhaust built for the safety of the user and the helper. The hidden large capacity hopper that allows for 14 hours of uninterrupted smoking, not the locking casters, built-in cabinets, side shelves, or tool hooks. It's true, we build this with the boldest and most brilliant features from the leading inventors of wood pellet grilling. But it's simpler than that. When a grill will ignite itself with one touch, measure and cook to your set degree, and then power down to a smoke to pack your food with flavor and keep it warm for the rest of the day while you enjoy things that matter more. This machine was as much calibrated as it was composed.